Hello dear students. So today we will be continuing with the chapter Nazism and Rise of Hitler, and as we are discussing about the economic crisis which happened after World War I, so we will continue with that. So like in Germany, actually Germany fought the war mainly on loans and had to pay war reparations in gold, and this depleted the gold reserves. In the year 1923, Germany refused to pay, and the French, they occupied a very, very important industrial area of Germany, which is known as Ruhr, R-U-H-R, Ruhr area. And then they started recklessly printing paper money. With so much paper money in circulation, the value of German mark fell. And then there was, everywhere there was hyperinflation. What is this hyperinflation? This is a situation which was called as the prices rose phenomenally high. At this time, America came and introduced Dawes Plan, which eased the financial burden on Germany. But the years of 1924 till the year 1928, they still to a certain extent they saw stability before it collapsed totally. German investments dependent on short-term loans were from USA, United States of America. And then all of a sudden in the year 1929, there was the great economic depression. Now, what was this great economic depression? The entire world, as I said, that you can relate it to the lockdown which recently in the year 2020 we faced. The similar thing you can relate that after World War I happened. USA national income fell by half, and all the factories were shut down. Exports fell. Farmers were badly hit, and the speculators withdrew their money. And if you see that how did it hit Germany? The German economy was worst hit by the economic crisis, because by the year 1932, industrial production was reduced to 40% if you compare it with 1929. Workers lost their jobs or were paid reduced salary or wages. The number of unemployed touched an unprecedented 6 million. That means 6 million people became unemployed. On the streets of Germany, where we already spoke in the previous class that the men who were deployed as soldiers, there was a demand of men to be strong, aggressive, masculine. The same men were seen on the streets with placards around their necks saying, willing to do any work. Unemployed youths played cards or simply sat on street corners or desperately queued up at the local employment exchange. Why? Looking for a job. As jobs disappeared, the youth took to criminal activities. You see, this happened during the lockdown also. There was, when the workers, they lost their job, there was a lot of incidents of theft, robbery, snatching and all. So that time also, after World War I also, the economic crisis led up to, total despair, and there were a lot of criminal activities which increased. The economic crisis created deep anxieties. People, they started having anxiety attacks and fear in the mindset of people. The middle class, especially the salaried employees and the pensioners, even when they were assured of a fixed pension or salary at the end of the month, even they saw the savings diminish when the currency lost its value. Small businessmen, the self-employed and the retailers suffered as their businesses got ruined, totally ruined. You can compare it to the lockdown situation. Small businessmen, the people who used to set green grocers, the vegetable sellers and all sitting on beside the road, they lost, and their incomes exactly became zero. These sections of society were filled with the fear of, to become impoverished to the level of working classes, and anxiety of being reduced to the ranks of this working class. or worse still, the unemployed. They had this fear always that they will become unemployed. Only organized workers could manage to keep their heads above the water. Only they could manage to get certain amount of money. But unemployment weakened their bargaining power. Big business was in crisis. The large mass of peasantry, farmers, that means they were affected by a sharp fall in the agricultural prices. And to be very precise, you will be surprised to know that the women, they were unable to fill their children's stomachs. You can relate this, why children's stomach? Because comparatively to the adult, the children eat very less. But the mothers, they were not even being able to procure food for their little babies. They were filled with a sense of deep despair. So this entire condition was not only for Germany, it was there for almost all the countries who got affected. So this entire strain of year is known as the years of depression. And this Great Depression, right from 1929 till 1932, affected every phase of life. So children, next class we will be continuing with the chapter with the political flaws of Weimar Republic and how politically the effects were done. So I'm concluding the class right now. Thank you so much for joining up the class and take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much, children.